Welcome to this new video, and today we're going to be discussing the different levels of fashion. For this video, I decided to create 4 different levels, and in those 4 different levels, I'm going to explain to you the differences between them and stuff, and how you can level up your fashion game, I guess. Level 1. This is what I'd like to call the entry level phase. AKA, you're barely just starting to figure out what you like, you know, you're just throwing on whatever, different proportions, different sizes, just to see what suits you and what makes you you. This is honestly the experimental phase too. You're gonna get a lot of hit or misses, a lot of different fits. You're gonna try a lot of different brands, you know, and you're gonna figure out what you like and what you don't like. This is honestly, it's a fun phase because it's like you're figuring out what you like, what looks best on you and stuff like that. But it's also kind of hard because, you know, you're probably gonna be going through some money. You know, I don't know, it depends how you get there, but yeah, there's that. Level 2, this is what I call the breakout phase, something like that, because now your closet has some consistency. Your closet is kind of getting a little bit of a pattern going, you know, you're starting to create an image or a style for yourself. There's still a little issues like your previous pieces from your other outfits and from your experimental phase from level 1, but if anything, that kind of helps because now you got a little mix of everything along with your consistent style. So while you're doing one thing, there could be other days where you spice it up and throw in a little bit of other, you know. Now, when escaping level 2, it's pretty much just building a more consistent wardrobe. Also, getting some accessories, which is what's gonna lead us into level 3. Because level 3, you got a pretty good wardrobe, you have a consistent look, you know what you're going for, your proportions are pretty good, but you're now throwing in some things like some accessories, some bracelets, some necklaces, maybe the pant chain, a little pant chain, that would be nice, right? Level 3, you're now considered a fashion MF, okay? You're probably posting your fits all over TikTok now, you're probably doing your little fit check. You know, you get your fits, you're ready. They have their consistent style, they have their accessories, they have their things. To me, level 4 is being able to have the freedom of dressing however you'd like, whenever you'd like. As in, you have all different types of belts, different types of colors, different types of accessories, different colors in pants, jeans, literally everything. You got a good wardrobe. You have your consistent wardrobe, you have everything, but what do you do from here? Truth is, I have no clue because I haven't even reached that level yet. One day, my friends, one day we will be there. 3 is what I'd say most people are at. If you're watching my channel, then you might be in level 1 or 2 trying to get to level 3. Okay, I'm in no way saying that, oh, level 3, it means you're like, you're good. No. Obviously, level 3, you know, you know something, you know a little something about dressing, okay? You got a good wardrobe. Sorry for the little yap sesh. Honestly, I was thinking about dividing the levels into even more ones to have an even longer video, but to be honest, then I'd just be talking about nonsense. Yeah, literally just get your proportions, get some different shades of colors and all that stuff. And doing all these little things can really help you upgrade your fashion game. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time in the next video. Peace.